Hello my Torque News dear friends and subscribers. I have a new video in which I'm about to show you how to factory reset the software of your Mercedes vehicle. Let's take a look at my screen here. I'm sitting inside the 2024 Mercedes EQE electric SUV. This is the AMG package. You see the huge screen here, and they have their own, the passenger side has its own screen. And let's look at the software now. In order to reset the software, but let me start why it is necessary sometimes to change the software. Whenever you have a used vehicle, let's say you bought a used vehicle, you want to update and reset the software to make a factory reset. This is why it's necessary, and Mercedes touchscreen makes it very easy. Okay, basically you click on home button, and from here click on settings. From here you have several options: assistance, vehicle, light, system, information. Click on system. Scroll down. Okay, system. Scroll down, and the last option is reset. Make sure it's not the software update. Software update will just update the software, but if you want to do factory reset, you click on this, friends, and it will bring you this warning which says resetting may take a few minutes. Meanwhile, some important functions are not available on the driver display and the central display. See operations manual. So right now my system will be resetting to making a factory reset. That's how simple it is. Thanks for watching. God bless you, everyone. Have a great day. Subscribe to this channel and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any other car related how-to questions, let me know and I'll try to answer in my next upcoming videos.